Hello, my name is Jaramillo. I'm 24 years old. I am from Valle. I live with my best friend in Cali. I am culture of band. I study and coaching. My hobby is to watch TV. I like my series, for example, The Paper House and On Time. My favorite sport is collegial and my favorite TV show is Betty. They are people in my family. My mother is Dora Zapata. She is 45 years old. She is a veterinary. She is from Tuluá. My mother is very tender. She is tall. Her eyes are brown and she has black eyes. My sister is Guadalupe Rincon. She is 8 years old. She is a student. She is from Tuluá. My sister is beautiful. She is small. Her eyes are brown and she has brown hair. My stepfather is Daniel Rincon. He is 45 years old. He is a carpenter. He is from Tuluá. My stepfather is very keen. He is small. His eyes are black and his hair black. Thank you.